Welcome back. So I have received a lot of questions from people who says like whether they want to learn Python or is it better to learn JavaScript. So both the languages have their own strengths. So in this video I'm going to describe clearly on what each language is good at and how does it align with your goals. So first thing is Python is the base language for most of the AI related frameworks. So if you want to be planning to go into AI and machine learning space or generative AI space or data science, including data engineering space, Python would be one of the best languages that you can learn. Coming to JavaScript, any kind of full stack development or front end or real time apps or server side development or cross platform app development as well. So JavaScript is the best language to learn, and it's similar to Python. It's very easy to learn and it's very versatile as well. Now, so basically the differentiation is not between which language is good internally. It's more on what is your future role requirements and what you're planning to do. So if you are gonna go into AI or data engineering, data science space, I would prefer you to learn Python first. And if you're mostly into software engineering and cross-platform development, JavaScript would be the first language, which is a good language for you to learn. So it's nothing based on their inherent strengths of language itself. It's based on mostly what you're going to do in future. So they do specialize in different areas of software development. So my suggestion would be to only choose language based on career goals, and at the end of the day I promise you're going to learn more languages. So once you're good in a language, it's very easy to learn more languages. So maybe you will be learning both Python and JavaScript, so that would give you better edge in the career as well. So thanks for watching the video. I will be doing more short videos on similar questions I get. So do subscribe if you like this video. See you soon.